Good morning, second graders. Today we're on page 45 of your student journal, page 45, and we're going to continue with what we did yesterday. So we're just going to practice more. So our goal says, today I will subtract two-digit numbers by using the number line strategy and relate it to a written method. Okay, so remember, boys and girls, what the written method is sometimes called working form, and then the number line strategy is just us counting back the subtrahend. So again, we're just going to practice more of what we did yesterday. So I'm going to get started right away since we've already done some of this. And here's my first problem. My first problem says 92 subtract 71. Okay, so my minuend is 92, so I'm going to put that at the end of my number line. And then my subtrahend is 71. So 71 has 1 1 and 7 tens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decompose the 71. So that means I have 7 tens. We haven't done one this large yet, boys and girls. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 1 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, after I've decomposed my subtrahend, is I'm going to start counting back. So 92 subtract 10 is 82. Oh, and I should cross that off. 82 subtract 10 is 72. So I've 72 subtract 10 is 62. 62 subtract 10 is 52. 52 subtract 10 is 42. 42 subtract 10 is 32. And how many have I done so far? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need one more. 32 subtract 10 is 22. So I've subtracted all 7 tens. Now I have 1 1. So 22 take away 1 or subtract 1 is 21. So my difference is 21. Okay, in working form, friends, what this looks like is we put our minuend and then our subtrahend right under it. And we make sure that our ones column is lined up and our tens column is lined up. So I have 2 ones, take away 1 1 is 1 1. I have 9 tens, take away 7 tens is 2 tens. So my difference is still 21. Okay, let's look at another one that I'm going to do. Here's my next one. It says 74 subtract 52. Okay, so my minuend goes at the end of the number line. My subtrahend gets decomposed. So there are 5 tens and 2 ones. So I'm going to say 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2 ones. Okay, now I'm going to start counting back or subtracting. So 74 subtract 10 is 64. 64 subtract 10 is 54. 54 subtract 10 is 44. 44 subtract 10 is 34. And 34 subtract 10 is 24. So I should have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And then 24 subtract 2 is 22. So my difference is 22. Okay, so let's do this in working form. We're going to say our minuend is 74. our subtrahend is 52. And our ones should be lined up and our tens should be lined up. So 4 ones take away 2 ones is 2 ones. 7 tens take away 5 tens is 2 tens. So I still have 22 as my difference. Okay, boys and girls, let's do some of these together. So we're on page 46, and here's our first problem we're going to do together. It is 84 take away or subtract 34. Okay, so let's put our minuend at the end of our number line. And then let's take our subtrahend, which is 4 ones and 3 tens, and let's decompose it. So 3 tens would be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 ones. Okay, so now we're ready to start counting backwards. So 84 take away 10 would be 74. 74 take away 10 would be 64. Okay, 64 take away 10 would be 54. So we should have 1, 2, 3 tens, and now we're going to subtract 4. So 54 subtract 4 would be 50. So our difference is 50. That's our difference. Okay, let's put this in working form. So working form means I have 84, which is my minuend, subtract 34. And when you do this, boys and girls, make sure your ones are lined up and your tens are lined up. You want them to be really nice and straight. Okay, so if I have 4 ones and I take away 4 ones, I'm left with 0 ones. If I have 8 tens and I subtract 3 tens, I'm left with 5 tens. So my difference is 50. Okay, let's look at our next one, our final one together. Our equation is 75 subtract 24. Okay, so let's put our minuend at the end of our number line, 75. And let's take our subtrahend and decompose it. So our subtrahend is 2 tens and 4 ones. So let's say 10 plus 10 plus 4. Okay, so ready? So we're going to say 75 take away 10 is 65. Okay, 65 take away 10 is 55. And then 55 take away 4 would be 51. Okay, let's put that in working form because our difference we know is 51, but let's see it in working form. So 75 our minuend and our subtrahend right under it. So your ones are lined up and your tens are lined up. Okay, so 5 ones take away 4 ones would leave me with 1 1. 7 tens take away 2 tens would leave me with 5 tens. So my answer is still 51. Okay, boys and girls, keep practicing these and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.